Before starting this video, I'd like to quickly explain what sound hats are and how they work. Sound hats are pretty much Roblox hats that make noises thanks to a script inside them that makes them do such thing. As of right now, there only exist 4 sound hats in all of Roblox, with 3 of them being limiteds, and the last one being off sale. So with that out of the way, the video shall start.
I drive to a Burger King. Can we get a Wobble Junior wet on your ring? Oh, scary! Oh, shiver my timbers!